Durban Online Podcast. Thank you so much for subscribing. Namhlanje sobe sidila ne-topic ye-crime. As you can see, izinto ziyenzeka elokishini la sihlala khona. Abantu bayadlwengulwa, abantu bayarojwa, abantu bayadutshulwa, and there is no safety anymore. But before I even go even further, kunomfowethu engimphethe lana uQiniso Mavundla from Don Q Security Services. Uzosichazela kabanzi ukuthi ngabe ngempela bethu bona bayigwema kanjani i-crime, and actually they have an app le engakusiza ukuthi upress i-panic button in anywhere elokishini. Can you imagine now sisinama app aselokishini angakusiza from amaphara or anything of that nature? So without wasting your time, Fethu, let me introduce to you uDon. Mina ngimbiza ngoDon. Wala baba, hamba kanjani?
Sibingelele Mr. Fly kwi-Durban Online Podcast. Siyabingelela bhuti.
Siyabonga.
Nababukeli.
Yindaba bonke abantu yindaba abantu bonke abomthetho bavele bafane nje, yabona intshebe imvungculu. Why nonke namaphoyisa kanjalo niyatrainwa yini ukuthi nibe yabo nje nisabise nje?
No,
zisuku
appearance ibaluleke kakhulu nje kumuntu. When you have a good appearance ukuthi abantu bakubone bengasabi, noma uzobachazela uzobasiza bengathi ayi kodwa bekufika umuntu ongathi ube isigebengu kwayena ube engathembakali. So
sure mfethu, iyaqhubeka bhuti. Okay, let me carry on ngoba nginenkinga la about i-crime emalokishini. Ngicela ukufundela ama statistics, then wena mfethu uzobe usichazela ngoba you are representing i-Don Q Security Services, and futhi uya based emalokishini, especially lapha eMlazi la usaqale khona. But according to i-South Africa amalokhuzana khona la esengibheke khona ama statistics, kuthiwa kunabantu cishe ngonyaka ababulawayo about 27,494. Shothi nje it's about 76 murders per day. Can you imagine? Or maybe singasho ukuthi 3 people every hour, yabo bayashona mfethu. There is 22,000 violent content crimes, 22,000, my man.
yes.
We have very big numbers, especially nala in Natal ngazuthi yona ihamba phambili. Yayibona yonke. I can't really go to ama percentages akhona because it's going to take some time,
Yeah.
but as you can see ukuthi each and every day so we have like almost 76 murders. Engeke, but that's a large number. Mfethu, what's your take on that?
Yeah, khona Mr. Fly akuhle kakhulu kutshengisa khona ukuthi singabantu ukuzwelana nokuhlalisana asakakubeke ezingeni elifanayo njengalabo abazinye inhlanga. Not ukuthi laba bezinhlanga nabo abanawo ama differences, nabo abanazo izidingo abangayithatha, kodwa banendlela abenza ngayo ukuthi bakwazi ukubekezana behlalana, ngoba kulama states lawa mangasubuke when it comes to race ithina abantu futhi especially basemalokishini esilimazanayo esijojenalayo nesigcina sithathelana imphefumulo. So khona kubi kakhulu, and I think isolution izoqhamuka nathi ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi yonke lonto lesilungise, kodwa akona ama states amahle esingawathokozela futhi esingawajabulela.
Yeah, but it's very sad because yonke lento nje it doesn't say white, Indian, colored. It's based towards about that.
Yeah.
And most wethu fethu sihlale emalokishini, and sike sakhuluma washo ukuthi ene isikhathi lento oyenzile uyenzise ukuthi nawe ubuka i-crime rate ngendlela ehigh ngayo kulamalokishi akhona. Mhlawumbe ungasokuchazela abalandeli mfethu ukuthi i-app le oyidevelopile isebenza kanjani?
No, ngibonga ithuba Mr. Fly. No, i-app ukusuka kwayo wazi ukufisa, nginesifiso sokuthi ngibuka ukuhlukana phakathi kweindawo zabelungu neindawo zethu abantu abamnyama, ukuthi ukungani singenawo ama systems angakwazi ukubika imphakathi yethu. and kulezi ndawo mawubheka umehluko omncane, abantu njengathi,
Yeah.
kodwa banama-systems. Ama-systems ayenza ukuthi ukuhlala kwabo bekwazi ukuthi bazizwe bephephile. Mangase ngihambe manje ngiye eDurban North, ngishiye umgwaqo owodwa nje ngephutha, ngijike futhi ngibuye ngingene komunye ngephutha. Ngeke uphele u-5 minutes ama-security engafikanga. Ngeke uphele u-5 minutes umphakathi ungazange ukuthi khona imoto esijike la noma khona umuntu ohamba ethwabaza laphaya. Why? Because the system in place ekwaziyo ukuthi ivikele umphakathi. Then when we go to indaba ye-looting, when there was looting, kuleza indawo leziyana umphakathi wakhona wakwazi ukusukuma wayimela wadefenda ukuthi kungabi ney'nkinga ezizosuka abantu bangene bezoyithathela. But now we don't have such system, we don't have a defense mechanism as ama-communities abantu abamnyama azokwazi ukuthi if we have problems, this is how we tackle. So i-app iqhamuka kanje. I-app iqhamuka ngendlela yokuthi number one, I needed something ezokwazi ukuthi isize umuntu ekutheni uma ukuthi umuntu wakithi uba nenkinga sonke siwumphakathi sazi same time. Uma epress i-panic button because elokishini ukubona seqhamuke umuntu esekhala athi awu sengiphuca isikhwama lapha, athi omunye hawu bengibonile lo muntu edlula la egijima sangazi ukuthi wenzeni.
Wangasho lutho,
bangamenza lutho waze wakwazi umuntu ukuphunyuka. So le app indlela engayidizayina ngayo, number one, I needed to have a system ezokwenza ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi uma kuba nenkinga emphakathini njengakomhlanga sazi sonke same time receive sonke ama-notifications and sibe aware and be alert. Bese kuthi laba abanamandla okulekelela, mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi umuntu unaso isibhamu sakhe noma police officer off duty noma on duty uyakwazi ukuthi hayibo lapha sekupress i-panic button kasibani akuhambe siyobheka nathi while we're responding as a security companies, as a security company. Number one. Number two, ukusebenza elokishini kuyingozi kakhulu ukuthi ungafonela umuntu akutshela ukuthi asekunento ethize endaweni ethize kanti nabo labo bantu bacela bekufanele ukuthi bazokuphuca isibhamu noma bezokurobha noma bezokulimaza. So i-app you know ukuthi kusuke kureporta umuntu uvele osubscribe-ile onemininingwane yakhe compared to ekutheni umuntu abone inamba yakho afona athi hayi don't queue, ngibone ngathi khona abantu abazama ukubamba inkosi, uma ufike kanti wena uzobanja inkosi noma uzo-ambush. So ilokishi lithanda ukuba nomngozane omncane. So that's why we're trying to introduce this app. Basically the app lena it's about community management. So once yangena kahle ebantwini sonke saba nayo, sizoba naleya element labantu abanayo kuyindaweni zabelungu, which is community management. Thina we don't have into manager as a community. So isala lapho. Yes.
Yeah, i-app le mfethu abantu uyabazi mfethu baselokishini bahlezi bekhala ngedatha, bekhala futhi nangokuthi mhlampe kuyimali ihamba kanjani indaba yokuthi mina njengo-ordinary person waselokishini ngivele ngibe ne-app, yabo ngoba kodwa into emnandi ngale nto eshoyo i-Wi-Fi ikhona manje emalokishini, sinama-providers, ama-service providers amaningi kabi ukuthi usungathi manje awunayo and isiqala ukuba cheap. But just one question ukuthi itholakala kanjani, uyasubscribe imalini, ngabe yamahhala, kwenzakalani kuleyo department?
All right. So for now, what we did was try to introduce the app to emphakathini osondelene nathi, because what we're saying ukuthi if abantu bene-app yethu kwamanje sisasebenza under i-security company yethu ngendlela yokuthi sifisa ama-client ethu sikwazi ukuthi uma benenkinga se-respond. So our response time is 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. Yabo, so sine-response time. So basically for now, into esenzayo sisakhava indawo eseduze nomphakathi wethu, which is le UBB, uZetha, amaFezi, and then bese kuba iChicago. Sifisa uku-introduce lapho, but other people abangaphandle kwaleyo ndawo leyo, they are also allowed ukuthi babe nayo. So when it comes to ekutheni itholakala kanjani, itholakala ngokuthi i-app the time siyi-developer last year sayisubmitha ka-Apple Store, sayisubmitha ka-Play Store, kwaba i-process nje and impela kodwa yagcina iphumelele. So
Mhm.
umuntu oyi-iPhone user nophatha i-Samsung uyakwazi ukuthi aye nje kwilontuzana kwi-platform la download-a khona, type community crime watch. When you download i-community crime watch, izobe sikuthatha for ama-steps ukuthi ukwazi uku-sign up. When you sign up, you put all your details, you put a request, you do your payment online, and idebhithela yona i-app yethu. So i-app yethu ngaphakathi ine-panic button, as you can see, SOS button. What's good about this SOS button is that when I take this phone,
Yeah.
and then I press my SOS. Let's say manje ngihleli la ngibona kunenkinga ekhona, like kunenkinga ekhona.
Erin. Yeah.
Yeah. I simply take my phone, nayi SOS 1 2 3 sengiyipressile, it's already sent, right? So
Yes.
njoba isisendekile le SMS, any user who is part of i-DonQ Security Services and who's using i-Community Crime Watch bayayithola bonke notification, bayayithola yonke
Sure.
notification kuma-apps abo. So bonke ama-client ethu manje ayabona ukuthi mina ngipress i-panic button.
Yes.
When you go inside the app and you press emergencies, izokhipha i-location yami, izokhipha indawo la ngikuyona, and people can come and assist and respond.
Yeah.
Yeah, so lana on emergencies, this is one part of a device already that
Okay.
already has a location of where I am and the way I press the panic button. So
Okay.
i-panic button isiza kanjalo-ke, Mr. Fly.
Angichazela la le party le ngoba ngathi iyona ebalekile le report and issue or
Yeah,
unknown person. Yes. Iyona into esidila nayo kakhulu
so
emalokishini le.
yeah, so basically into eyenzakalayo kuthina abantu abasemalokishini, we don't have a system of reporting izinto ngesikhathi emphakathini ukuthi umphakathi ube aware. So into esike siyenze ukuthi ufonela mhlampe ku-SAPS, kube i-communication between wena no-SAPS kuphela. But mina umakhelwane ohleli obuka i-TV noma ohleli e-ofisi ongakwazi ukuzokusiza, angazi ukuthi unaleyo nkinga leyo. So basically into engizama ukuyi-introduce lana nokuthi sonke mawukuthi sinenkinga sikwazi ukuyithola same time. So basically nasebalungwini ifana njengasesilungwini, you can report issues esilungwini. If you know, if you see an unknown person, there's someone ongamqondi endaweni oqalayo ukumazi, there should be something that concerns you. You select and then you press unknown person, then you report. Sonke same time you put a description yalowo muntu uthi ugqoke amateka ukuthi uma ekhoneni lokuthi lomgwaqo lokuthi, sonke same time sesiyazi emphakathini ukuthi emgaqweni ubhambatha kunomuntu ongaqondakali. Then there's a suspicious vehicle parked. Uthola ukuthi kunemoto esuspicious esimile nje for isikhathi eside, awuyiqondi, thatha description yayo ufaka kwi-app, sonke nje basene-app sithola same time. And then suspicious vehicle moving around, umuntu ofikayo ubuza unusual questions, emini ishiya ingane siye emasontweni, uthola ukuthi uzofika umuntu abuza ubaba wala ekhaya noma ayibuzisa isibongo esithize kanti ubuka ukuthi khona bakuleli ekhaya. So basically when people are coming to ask unusual questions, it should also concern you because abanye basuke be-scout, basuke befuna ukubona ama-opportunities. And then there's housebreaking in progress. We advise people when there's housebreaking in progress to report it, because when you approach it without any tactical knowledge of how to tackle abantu abenza lobo bugebengu, ungaba nenkinga ukuthi nawe ugcine uyi-victim umuntu engaphuma ngesibhamu agcine sekulimaza. So attempted burglary, outside building, mugging, theft, robbery of delivery services. Siyazi ukuthi lana abantu bo-Uber bo-Bolt bahlezi bebanjwa, and then nabantu abazodeliver izinto emakhaya ethu mhlampe like ama-groceries bahlezi bebanjwa. So if there's something like that eyenzakalayo, you can just simply report it. Car theft, hijacking, suspicious individual tampering with cars, anything, domestic violence, you just select, press sonke same time sesithole alert, sesiyazi ukuthi kunenkinga ethize emgwaqweni ukuthi noma endaweni ukuthi, and isijekisa la exact location because ilinkwe ne-location yala umuntu usuke ekhona leso sikhathi.
Yeah, but it sounds very, very, very useful and also user friendly. And I think into yakhona isobala, you didn't complicate it. Uyabona le nto mhlawumbe you go through izinto ey'ningi up to fika kuleya button. Ama-button, they are right there for you. Now, my other question, as usazi bethu abantu bethu, they always have means ukuthi ba-crack ama-codes, or maybe people batry ukuthi bayikopishe le nto le app kube ngathi ye-Don Q Security Services kade mhlampe standards eniwenzile yokuthi le information noma yona le app ukuthi ibe safe ngale ndlela yokuthi everybody can rely on. Akho
Yeah.
kukhona kwenzile because nami ngasuseyami manje ngoba njengoba sizoyifaka nje la kuma-social media lento and then nabo bazoqala bezama ezabo izinto. What are your safety measures?
No, what I can say for now, issue enkulu, okay, abantu when they copy our system to do it for good reasons, wherever they wanna do it, kusiza thina as abantu, yabo. If
Yes.
kuwukuthi but i-app yethu can work anyway, but if decide ukuthi umuntu, hey, mina mhlawumbe ngise-Cape Town noma ngisempangeni noma ngisemtopo, we have a system in place that can assist those people ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi sibancede nabo ukuthi babe na very same system in their places, yabo. So
Okay.
because if sifuna ukuyibamba thina kube yinto yethu, uzothola ukuthi thina sikwazi ukureacha only 500 South Africans ngokwe-services. But what about the rest of the 27,000 okade usho olimala every now and then?
Every now, yes.
Lokho kungasijabulisa ukuthi abantu babe naleyo type of innovation, but when it comes to imakethe-ke manje yale industry security, I think anganoma ngingathi ngiyinkampani yokuqala yomuntu
onsundu one-app
elokushini onale app oyenzayo. Manje-ke lokho ngeke ngize ngingene khona kakhulu ngoba bakhona abantu othola ukuthi abakuthandisisi kahle laba kulezinye iy'nhlanga yabo ukuthi into. So you do have those attacks, but now into efanele siyazi ukuthi when we're dealing with the app, you have your IT specialists, you have your developers team, you have people that are trained and specializing kule nto yokudevelop ama-app nokuwa-protector nokwenza ukuthi abe functional and also submit them to kuma-Google Play Store nakuma-Apple Store. So engizokusho ukuthi to deal with those people, I was dealing with them directly go Play Store, Google App Store. It's not an easy thing. They ask you each and every detail. Ukuthi le phone number mawukuthi umuntu ufuna ufaka iphone number uzoyisebenziselani. You press, you analyze and report anything. Leli button, what's the use? So njengoba uthatha ama-information details ukuthi umuntu ukhokha online, uprotecte kangakanani. So lokho yes, kukhona ukuthi abantu bengakuzama but akulula because i-app is encrypted ngenye indlela and angeke ngikwazi ukusho ama-security features e-app platform kanje. Kodwa nje it's very reliable. It's been running for 3 months. And the only issues asuke ekhona kusuke kwama-minor issues, mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi i-client alikhokhanga like kick her out i-app sekuyi-issue ukuthi ibuyele, so sekufuneke sil-assist ukuthi libuyele back noma mhlawumbe ithe imali kufuneka idebithe yangadebitheka. So those are smaller issues because yona if ungakhokheli i-kick her out automatically, uyabo. If there's a i-kick her out automatically. So iyona nto mhlawumbe engathi mama for the past 3 months esirun, our clients are very happy and nama-response ethu ahamba kahle. So ukuthi khona abantu abangazama anything that is making
alright, mhlampe njengomhlali nje waselokishini usibona isimo sethu esilokishini uthi most states asisebenzi, but we want safety and also i-app yakho comes very handy when it comes to now indaba ze-crime, and we also have ama-businesses emakhaya bayaqhekeza and stuff like that. Mhlampe nje i-entry level for umuntu ordinary ngayimalini?
Khona i-option ka-R50. That's the first option. Why we started with this option ka-R50 was ukuthi at least wonke umuntu akwazi ukuba ne-notification, akwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakani emphakathini, but ayinayo i-panic button leyo because it's just a basic, it's just the entry level yelontuzana ye-system yethu, yabo. Bese kuthi kube khona-ke i-package yethu which is a whole package whereby uma uyithatha ngo-250, and then uma uyithatha ngo-250 uthola i-panic button through our phone, you call our response ethu, uthola i-patrol yethu, uthola any assistance when it comes to ama-emergencies. Uma udinga ukubizela i-ambulance, udinga usizo, nanoma kuthiwa mhlawumbe uqhunyelwe yithayi, unenkinga, mhlawumbe khona into engenzeki kahle ekhaya ongayiboni kahle, yonke nje leyo assistance ngaleyo package ka-250 leyo, thina siyakwazi ukuthi sikunike usizo. And then bese kuthi-ke when we set these prices kuma-platform ka-iPhone bayithatha u-250 as it is because bafuna ukuthi bayi-evaluate, bawuthatha as it is. Ka-Samsung ba-add i-VAT ka-R35, of which uma uphatha Samsung you end up paying u-285 because there's i-VAT included.
Yes.
So that's the only difference. But senza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ingekho ngaphezulu kwenani la 300 rand. But when you're looking at those prices compared to i-Wi-Fi, compared to izinto ey'ncane ey'khokhelwa abantu every month, and compared to even ibhodlela le-Hennessy for that matter, uyabo ukuthi imali engekho leyo. U-250 ngumndeni wakho nangama-assets akho nangempilo yakho nanabantu aba-guaranteed ukuthi uma ukuthi udinga usizo bazofika bezokusiza. Imali le idatha abanye abantu they are subscribing ngo-400 rand yabo. Khona abantu abasebenzisa ama-apps lana akhokha kakhulu, ama-games ey'ngane, everything. So 250 is quite reasonable with the good services provider.
Yeah, but sikhuluma la noDon Q ukusho ukuthi usiqiniseko kahle kahle wakamavundla onenkampani ye-security ibizwa ngeDon Q Security Services, ba-based eMlazi okwamanje. Mhlawumbe i-app yakho before ngingene kolunye uhlelo ifinyelele iziphi indawo esayikhava njengamanje laphayana eMlazi?
Okay, indlela esenze ngayo thina njengoba indawo yethu ika-BBM Mlazi, ama-offices ane-base ethi ka-BBM Mlazi. Now we have to touch on something that is very crucial, whereby now ukusebenza kwakho as a security company fanele wazi ukuthi nawe uyilimita kanjani, uyabo, and uyivikela kanjani, which there's a place whereby uma uhamba endaweni zabelo kuthiwa there's a blue zone la indawo khona o-blue uthola ukuthi baqalile ukuthi lana i-service yethu, and uma uthinta la nothinta indawo lana ekusebenza khona thina. So indlela sesibone ngayo ukuthi we shouldn't try and take over wonke uMlazi, because there's certain dynamics when it comes to businesses these days whereby you end up fighting over indawo ukuthi ubalo. So sichoose ukuthi i-network yethu kwamanje noma i-app yethu kwamanje sayivulelele u-AA, u-BB, u-Z, ama-Phase, i-Chicago, then iNgonyameni. So uma usuka phansi phezulu eNgonyameni wehla ngo-CC uza la ka-AA unyuka uya phezulu emadamini uyakaze esebridgini wephilani, leyo ndawo sifisa ukuyenza ibe imingcele, leyo ndawo leyo ibe i-red zone, iyazi ukuthi uma usungala awusakwazi ukudlalela ngakuyona. Then-ke masekuba ngali kwalowo mngcele siyafisa ukuthi uma khona ama-CPF, kukhona nabanye abafethu abanama-security companies abafisayo ukuthatha our system bayisebenzise ey'ndaweni zabo. So bese siyabavulelela ukuthi bafethu nayi system, you can take it, this is how it's run, this is how it operates, bakwazi ukuyirana, but yona okwamanje ukwe-respond nakwe-capacity yethu yona ndlela le indawo lezi sifisa ukuthi siyisebenze, but it can run throughout the whole of South Africa. If there's anyone who's interested ukuthi akwazi ukuthi naye abe nayo i-system ngakubo, noma basibizeke as a company bethi nayi indawo sinama-household ayinambe ukuthi sifisa ukusubscribe, then we can come in with our resources, sibanike ama-operators, sibanike imoto, siba-set-uphele ibhasi kube yonke into functional. So
no, kodwa siyakhulu enye into la siyasakhuluma nawe, and then you touch endabeni yesibhamu, like beside the app leninayo, what other services eninawo as a Don Q before ngingene kule issue le yesibhamu?
Amanye ama-services, remember this is just a foundation phase of inkampani. Why I say it's a foundation phase, residential security is just a basic of everything. Basically, we are trying to set a foundation yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi while we growing i-security is very diversified kakhulu yabo. Ama-services esinawo for now iyona i-residential security esidila nayo to respond, and we wish to integrate it with ama-drones, we wish to integrate it with i-surveillance, and sikwazi ukuthi umphakathi wethu ube safe nabantu bebe safe. But in terms of other services, we just had noma ngeke ngize ngisho but bodyguarding, it also involves us as well. We do have services at bodyguarding. We do have corporate, when businesses, they want armed guards, they want static guards, escorting. If there's any issue, mhlampe, let's say, kune-truck lenyama mhlampe elizodlula endaweni enomngozi lidinga uku-escortwa, all those services. So basically the overall security services we do provide. And we do provide them at a very reasonable price. And also we just need to expand one day to have tracking systems whereby we can be able to have services or tracker. But when it comes to response, VIP protection, when it comes to escorting, when it comes to static guards or armed guards, we provide all those services. And we do have
it's very, very interesting for a guy from the township, Elokshini, come up with these measures of protection. But imagine izoseshintshile nje mfethu, and sekunama-drone manje, zonke lezo zinto. I-Don-Q Security Services, does it have that izinto enjalo? Nanga sejaha usentshontsha iklabishi, nanga sejaha utshontsha amagwinya, avele pronto asamngeni phesheya siyasibuka kuhamba ama-helicopter, especially kuma-car chases. They make sure ukuthi they cover everything. You guys, is it done kule area yama-drone? Are you there, or maybe still some steps ensazowahamba?
Yeah, that's a good question. Let me just go back and refer this to i-app. I-app indlela esidizayine ngayo. I-app i-right ngokuthi is something edevelopwayo. And we do have an option when somebody presses a panic button, they on our back end system, it shows their number, it shows their address, it shows their email address, and what's interesting, it shows their GPS coordinates. So when you take those GPS coordinates and put them with drone, it can actually go and have a real view of that particular place. And now this is where I want to take this, and also it takes you to exactly where that place the person making up, right? Then we also can add features, visitors. And you see that our plan now is to have that place whereby now we can have visitors code. So going back to your question, drone surveillance and also overall nje visitors access isona sifiso sethu sokuthi lezi indawo esisebenzela kuzona kugcine sekufike lapho, uyabo. I-app inayo option yokuthi uma upressa iyasinika ama-GPS coordinates, but remember i-drone ngeke uyifly emphakathini whereby you only have 10 clients noma unama-client awu-5 and the rest of 85% uzolwela lento elokhu indiza emakhaya ndawo. So once umphakathi wayo-united saba nesivumelwane nabahlali, then we can release those services, because khona umuntu ozodinga ukuthi siqale sicele imvume from SAPS, from abahlali ukuthi listen, we are doing an additional security measure now ukuthi if there's a problem we are gonna be hovering i-drone ngalezi khathi nani ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukusibona. But leyo nto leyo idinga i-community participation. Now eMhlanga, yes, uBhalito nakoMhlanga, people have apps whereby one thing that I even touched on with my developers why can't we have a system on this app whereby i-client lethu uma li-request u-Uber likwazi uku-update ama-details ka-Uber in our app sikwazi ukuba nawo, should anything happen to this person we can do ama-follow-ups and be able to investigate and do ama-follow-ups kule nto esuke yenzakalile. So what I'm trying to say, Mr. Fly, ukuthi
Yeah,
i-development yethu ne-system yethu udiphende kakhulu kwi-participation yabantu
sure.
esinakho. Already we've paid so much for it, but kusagodlekile because i-participation isancane. The more i-participation inyuka, all those things, ama-drones and also ama-camera esizama ukwa-outsource-a, akuwona la ma-camera ajwayelekile whereby amala emgaqweni, zama uku-outsource ama-camera ozothi uma uhleli endlini uyi-client ukwazi ukungena ubuke emgaqweni. Manje u-10 kulowo mgwaqo sinifakele that kind of camera, uyakwazi ukuthi uqale uma ukwakho u-check ukuthi khonani emgaqweni kuqala before uphume ngemoto. Yeah, it doesn't rely on us because i-security sifuna ukuyithatha siyifake ebantwini ukuthi wena member yomphakathi zikhandle ukuthi uvikele indawo yakho. Ngithi ungabe ukuthi ithina esigodla amandla ukuthi yithi esi-in charge uma kuba ne-security ne-issue ithina. Kufanele kube i-community participation, kube ukubambisana komphakathi and wonke lama-systems lawa asaphothwe umphakathi ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe right emphakathini.
Ya, ngiyakuzwa kakhulu uma ukhuluma indaba zokuyivikela nokuthi nawe nifaka kubantu lento. Khumbula ukuthi abantu phela Don baney'bhamu la ngaphandle. Mesikhuluma nge-issue yey'bhamu, it's a very big issue and you guys nikwi-security services and somehow khona la nifanele niy'phathe khona iy'bhamu. Mhlampe ngabe kubaluleke kangakanani nje as an ordinary person ohlala elokishini ukuba nesibhamu elokishini?
Kuyingozi. Ya, kuyingozi.
Kuyingozi.
Uwena onaso more than lo ongenaso.
Yeah.
Ya, kuyingozi kakhulu. Uyazi Mr. Fly, there is a guy osebenza ka-SAPS. He's our client in one of those very specializing units, but you ask yourself ukuthi why idinga i-security umuntu kanjalo. Uma u-check umuzi wakho u-assess, unama-high walls, unenja, not just any dog. Ufake i-bob wire
i-bob wire la.
Unamakhamera, unesibhamu sakhe, kodwa lo muntu lona usafisa simsize nathi ekutheni simpathrolele and asibeke as a reserve team ukuthi uma kuba nenkinga sikwazi ukurespond. Why would someone who's already trained onayo yonke leya security ekhaya still needs to bese there's an ordinary person who doesn't even have a firearm, ohlala ney'ngane bebabili ekhaya noma ahlale yedwa ugogo noma mhlampe ewumkhulu noma abe nabazukulu. So uyabona ukuthi kahle masibuyela kule issue yakho yesibhamu, isibhamu njengoba si-developile i-app. Remember when I started this ukuthi ngithena besifisa umuntu uma e-reporter a-reporte through i-app noma a-press i-panic button sikwazi ukubona ukuthi ku-report ba, because it's one of those things that we considered sizosebenza elokishini sathi hayi laba bafana bazo-scrap ibhamu. Uzothi uyahamba la uthi uyahamba ngemoto kuyaziwa ukuthi no, kuyingozi kakhulu. Mina I can simply say ukuthi kuyingozi, angeke ngikunanaze lokho. Kuyingozi and isibhamu ukuba naso it's not a thing for a show off. And if ubuka indlela esithathwa ngayo isibhamu, bafike basicele mabethola ithuba, usuke unenhlanhla lapho.
Yeah.
Kodwa isikhathi esiningi uzwa sengena something sebeyasithatha bahamba uyabo. And one mistake nakhona uthi uzamukula sesuthola ukulimala. So isibhamu siyingozi. That's why we say ukuthi uma ufisa ukuba naso noma usudecide uba naso, ufunda imithetho yaso ngokwanele ukuze ungabi victim yokuthi ugcine sekuyiyona into ekudonsela ekutheni ukwazi ukulimala.
Yeah, but I think app is fair enough because you don't have to go through indaba zama licensing. I believe there's 8 months process for ukuthenga isibhamu. but le app
Mm.
lokhuluma ngayo ye-Don't Q Security Service uyithola kwi-App Store and then nje blam uqhubeke nempilo ibe right. So should bengithi ngizosithenga isibhamu, but what I'm thinking now, mina ngihlala kaMashu, ningakwazi ukuthi kuwa manje nizofika nini ngala kuthina koMashu, koMlamonti, ko-Chesterville, bafethu
No.
eTuzuma, noma
Mm.
nize khona la khona i-West enani.
Yeah, no, ilontuzana indawo lezo koMashu nakoNtuzuma nakoLamonti singathokozela mhlawumbe uma kukhona abaphathi bama-forums akhona. That thing can be done easily ukuthi umphakathi
Yeah.
uyimele wona, uyirespondele wona, kube nabantu abazobheka, yabo.
Yes.
So but Mr. Fly lana engizama uku-add khona ukuthi I'm not saying ukuthi isibhamu sibheda 100% ukuthi asidingakali.
Yes.
Umhlaba u-dangerous kakhulu, iy'gebengu zi-ruthless, azinanembeza, they just do whatever they wanna do. So
Yeah.
umsebenzi obucayi lo esiwenzayo. Nawe uma uphethe isibhamu kufuneke wazi ukuthi kusuke kuyinto engathatha umphefumulo wakho. But then
Yeah.
again kunesayidi lomthetho eliba ngale kwesibhamu ukuthi fanele u-understand ngoba umuntu mase sengenile kwakho wambona e-dining room, wena wa-decide ukuthi mase sejika bese uyifaka la esiphundu. That's a different story. So noma unesibhamu kubalulekile ukuthi uyekele kuthina ama-security companies izinto ey'thize because thina as companies sisuke sine-mandate vele ukuthi sidile nalezi zinto, si-train-iwe vele sidile nalezi zinto. So isikhathi esiningi so ubeke wathatha nendaba yo-West nalezi ndawo lezi ey'thanda ukuba nobugebengu obudlulela. Noma ongajwayelekile. It all goes back to i-community management ne-community participation. Laphayana into esiyinkinga kakhulu okufanele sizame ukuthi siyi-avoid siqalile yenzeka kwezinye iy'ndawo ey'fana njengoko-Eastern Cape ukuthi sekunabantu asebey'formalize and as gangs ekutheni uma ukuthi uzama ukuphakama emphakathini, uzama ukuvikela umphakathi, bafike bekusocome. Kuleza y'ndawo sekukhona nokuthi uqale uze uyaphatrola noma uthi ulwisana nobugebengu because sebu-beyond uthi uyafika usuyalinyazwa. So it all goes back to i-community management. Iy'ndawo ey'njalo zingalungiseka if kuwukuthi kunama-systems in place whereby kulula ukureporta ubugebengu. Uthola ukuthi laphana manje umuntu engabona iy'ngane ey'ngena ney'bhamu sekubukhona ukuthi i-report ngoba iyazi ntambama ukuthi lowo muntu uzobulawela endlini. So kungcono ngiy'bukele as long as nami ngingahlangani kwenzeka komunye umuntu akwenzeke. So going to another point mhlawumbe engizoyithinta kancane ukuthi sekubukhuni manje anything, even noma kuthiwa uqala imiqasho, uqala indawo eyi-tuckshop, uqala ithaveni, uqala igaraji, sekuba nabantu nje abafikayo bezokuvakashela bekutshela ukuthi hhayi nabo bakubhekile nani nani. So there are so many dynamics akhona, akusekhona nje ukuthi kuphela usulindele umuntu ozokubamba inkunzi akuswele, sebengakuvikela nasekhaya abantu bezokuchazela ngendlela abasebenza ngayo, sekufuneka u-comply or you jump, yabo. So sekuthanda ukuba nzima amalokishi. I think it's high time whereby now nakuthina sifaka ama-systems azowavikela amalokishi, yabo.
Siyabonga kakhulu Don mfethu. Hopefully nizokwazi ukuthi nithi reach out to other townships. I feel like the app izosebenza kakhulu especially ey'koleni, ingane and also nakogogo nje abadala because ogogo yazi kade ngine business la e-station kamanje. Ogogo baphatha amafoni manje, yayibona leyo nto. Labo abadala mfethu uthola ukuthi akasakwazi lutho ngempela. So big ups to you my brother, and maybe if you can just share some information like mhlawumbe abantu mebefuna ukuthi bathole le app, inamba ithini, ama-offices ama-headquarters noma la nitholakala khona nje ikuphi. Ngiya-understand ukuthi app, everyone guys watching, i-app iyatholakala App Store anywhere umuphethe i-Android noma imaphi afana nama-App
Yeah.
Store. So please bafethu, let's support one another and make sure ukuthi si-safe. Cela ushiye iy'namba zakho mfethu mhlawumbe nama-socials many now.
Okay, no, ama-offices aka-BBM Laws, aka-BBM Laws ka-KFC, and inamba yocingo esitholakala kuyona ithi 067 193 1339. Ngizoyiphinda 067 193 1339. Bese kuthi-ke our website www.donq.co.za, and i-app yethu ku-Play Store naku-Apple Store, it's Community Crime Watch. Community Crime Watch. And we don't wish ukuthi abantu uthole ukuthi uzoyi-downloada asubscribe, uthole ukuthi mhlawumbe usempangeni. Okwamanje if umuntu eyi-downloada e-reviewer, it's okay. We don't want to take people's money. Uthole ukuthi umuntu uyi-downloada asikho kuleyo ndawo esisebenzela kuyona. Abantu for now abangayi-downloada, abantu baka-BB, abantu baka-Zethe Emafezini, abantu baka-AA, abantu base-Chicago, and abantu base-Ngonyameni. Those are the people for now esesingakwazi ukuthi sibasevise okwamanje ngokwe-companies no-capacity. But if kukhona bakwamanye ama-sections abafisayo ukuthi bathathe our system, they are more than welcome to do so. Yeah.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu bro, all the best. Hopefully uzolokhu uzivakashela la ekhaya as soon as niba namanye ama-development, because le I think ibaluleke kakhulu. Thank you so much Don. Bafethu besikade sino-Don Qiniso lo wakamavundla orana ikhampani ekuthiwa i-DonQ Security Company Service eMlazi njengoba seshilo, but-ke esazothi kukapakela kwezinye indawo. Shout out to you my guy, Fethu, all the best with your team.
Thank you so much Sibonga Kakhulu, nawe nibe right ne-team yakho Sibonga Kakhulu for i-host ababukeli bethu. Sibonga Kakhulu, sithemba ukuthi konke kuzwakele. Siyabonga.
Danko, siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.